Just a quick look at car project for the day. Pretty easy one. And you can see the difference between the two headlights, right? Been using the Harbor Freight lens restoration kit. Show you the packaging for it right here. With the 20% off coupon, it's like a 12 bucks. So you don't have a whole lot in it. It includes some 500 grit sandpaper, some 800 grit sandpaper, and some 3000 grit sandpaper. That's the 3000 right there. So basically you just go from a lower grit to a finer grit, sort of like a heavier grit to a finer grit progressively. So I went through these three 500s, and I went through these two 800s, and then the one 3000. And then after that, you finish it off with some polishing compound on the buffer pad here, keeping some soapy water on it as you go through it. And I mean, that is just an amazing difference right there. Like, there's your before right there, and there's the after. For the sake of comparison, it is daylight outside, but I'm going to just turn the headlights on so we can kind of see what the difference looks like. This, by the way, is a 2006 Mazda MPV. So this is a 14-year-old car. And we can't see, a great difference with the lights on until we get close. If we get close in on that, then, you can really make out the clarity of that lens versus the clarity of that lens, right? And just looking at the wall here where we're pointing the car, I mean, just look at the difference between the brightness over there on your left versus the brightness on the right. That's a huge difference in the amount of light coming out of these headlights. Hey, for 12 bucks you can't go wrong. Follow the instructions, do it according to how you're supposed to do it, and you're going to have a great result from it, and extend the life of your lenses a little bit where you don't have to replace them.